So have you ever heard of Epsom salt and wonder how you can use it in your everyday life and the benefits of it? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you a great story, the brief history of Epsom salt. And you're going to be learning three things in this video. You're going to be learning the history, who found it, and three ways you can use your Epsom salt in your everyday life. And before we begin, go ahead and grab your water bottle and your massage wellness notebook, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you always stay updated to my massage and wellness tips. And let's begin. Our story begins many years ago, over 400 years ago, to the beginning of the 1600s, in a small village south of London. And the city and the community is actually going through a drought. So our main character, Henry Wicker, is actually looking for water to feed his cattle. And in doing so, he actually finds hoof prints on the ground. And thinking to himself how this could be happening when there's a drought going on, he digs in that area and finds a water spring. And Henry is so happy that he had found this fresh water spring that he went and got his cattle. I'm going to pause the story right now, and I want you to think, and I want you to leave your answer in the comment section below on this question. What do you think the cattle did when they made it to the water spring? Do you think they drank the water? Did you think they refused the water? Or do you think they drank the water and actually died? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to answer that. And if you're enjoying this video and thinking this knowledge is helpful for you, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to show your support. I am trying to get 10 likes for this video, and I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of January. And here's the answer. The cattle did not drink the water. And Henry was kind of confused by this. But Mr. Henry, being an entrepreneur in my eyes, actually did more research and found out by drinking the water that this was not a fresh water spring, but a mineral spring being produced from the rocks below and the taverns being pushed up from the spring. And Henry is a knowledge man, and he knew of some knowledge of this mineral water. He knew of a city called Bath, where they used to bathe their warriors in a mineral water bath to help clean any cuts, wounds, and also to relieve pain and tightness off the body. Also, a village nearby was doing hot foot baths with mineral water to remove dead skin cells, and also to bring blood circulation to the feet, and also to remove any aches and pains from the feet. So, once again, Henry, in my eyes, is an entrepreneur. So he took the water and did some studies on it on himself. And I'm going to end the story here, and I am going to do a part 2 to this video. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If I can get 10 thumbs up, I'll do a part 2 to this, and we'll go further on seeing what happened when Mr. Henry did the research on himself with the Epsom salt. Epsom salt, yep, correct. So I want you to leave your answer in the comment section below on what actually you think happened to him when doing research. Do you think he broke out? Do you think he just gave up? Or do you think he continued and actually made a whole lot of money? I can't wait to do this video, the next video with you guys, to actually explain what happens next. And for sticking to the end, here is 3 ways that you can use Epsom salt in your everyday life. The first way is that you can use it in a hot bath. Using it in a hot bath, like I said before, is a good way to remove tightness and pain off the body with the magnesium in it. It is also a good way to bring blood circulation all over, and a good way to clean any cuts or wounds that may be on the body. Another way that you can use Epsom salt is in a hot foot bath. This is a good way to remove dead skin cells from the bottom of the feet. Good way to remove pain, tightness, or any aches for standing for long periods of time at work. And it's also a good way to bring blood circulation once again to the feet. I know a lot of workers like nurses, doctors, chiropractors, or even those who work at grocery stores stand on their feet a lot. And with doing that, you get swelling in the feet, you get knots, you get aches, and the Epsom salt is a good way to remove some of that swelling and inflammation. And did you know that Epsom salt is actually magnesium sulfate? And in the part 2 of the video, I will be giving you some more information and scientific information on Epsom salt. And the last way that you can use Epsom salt in your everyday life, you can actually use it for gardening. Epsom salt is great for gardening. It helps bring water and moisture to the roots. The magnesium and the sulfate is good chemicals that help the stimulation of the growth of the roots and of the plants. And it's also a good fertilizer for plants. So if you're a gardener, definitely try using some Epsom salt, or leave your information that you know of Epsom salt for gardening in the comment section below, because I want to hear from you viewers. Leave any questions, concerns, or emotional outbursts in the comment section. And before I end, I do want to let you know that Massage Expert LLC, my mobile massage and bodywork practitioner business, does have a package going on with a package deal where I am doing a 60-minute Swedish massage and a 30-minute foot bath together. I will leave a link in the description below so that you can check that out.